Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Hugs World. We tried to do a live stream. The live stream did not go well. So we thought we'd go ahead and do a regular video. And we just want to talk about the Galaxy Note 21, right? Now, remember, there's been some rumors going around that's been said that, hey, this is not going to go away. Then we got some more rumors to say that it's going to stay. And now at the end of the month, we got rumors that saying that this is going to be killed off. Now, this comes from Ice Universe, right? He says this is the end, and his credibility is like pretty much like 99%. But whatever he brings to the table normally comes to life. So am I concerned? Yes and no, right? First off, I love the Note series. I've been a Note fan since the Galaxy Note 2. Now, I didn't go with the Galaxy Note 1 because a bigger phone was just different for me, right? I didn't know if I would be able to get with that feel. And when I had an opportunity to buy the Galaxy Note 2 for my wife, I played around with it a little while and I fell in love with it, and it's been uphill ever since. Will I miss the Galaxy Note 21? Yes, I will. But the bigger question is why is Samsung killing off the Galaxy Note 21? All right, now, first off, we already know at the beginning of the year, we found out that the Galaxy S21 has an S Pen, right? So that takes care of the Note people who still love the opportunity of having an S Pen. You're just going to be able to use this in a different way, right? It's not going to be integrated into the Galaxy S21. You're going to actually have to buy a case and the pen together in order to be able to use this. But it does take care of the problem and issue, right? The other question is that, so if they get rid of the Galaxy Note 21, then what comes next? What do they focus on? What is the bigger reason for why the Galaxy Note 21 or the Galaxy Note lineup altogether is going away, right? Are they going to be focusing more on the Galaxy Fold and the rollable smartphones that are going to be coming up pretty soon? I'm quite sure that Samsung is not going to be bringing out the Galaxy rollable smartphone this year, maybe next year, because I think this is their real focus on trying to get the Galaxy Fold off the ground. There's a lot of people that love the Galaxy Fold smartphone and it looks cool. Me personally, I cannot get with the bulk. Now, I've talked to, I don't know if he's a subscriber, but he was in the live stream one day and he said that it's actually pretty light. Now, the bulk that I'm talking about is in hand more than in my pocket. Now, holding this thing is not going to feel like you're holding a Galaxy Note. Now, the rollable smartphone would more so seem that way because you don't have that extra thickness with a smartphone. I don't know if I can get with that, right? Now, I have seen some specs or some images of a trifold smartphone from Samsung, right? That could be possible. Now, if that comes, yes, I will buy that one because of the way it looks. It also shown it to have a keyboard integrated into the smartphone. Now, I don't know if that's going to come to life or not, but I'm definitely looking for something like that. The thickness would be, the question would be answered for the reason for the thickness because of what you could do with that smartphone. I thought it looked really, really slick, but I don't know, you all. The Galaxy Fold 3, I don't think I'm going to get that one. Now, it's being said that in replace of the Galaxy Note 21, we're going to get a Galaxy Note FE, which is a fan edition of that smartphone, right? Take this with a grain of salt. Everything I'm saying is rumors and leaks at this moment. We actually don't know what's going to happen. We still got some months before this actual release will come out, which is sometime around August. But the question is, at the end of the day, though, right? If they come out with a Galaxy Fold and it's not for you, what other smartphone are you going to gravitate to? Is it going to be the Galaxy S21? Right? Or will you be looking at another smartphone altogether? Me, I think I'd keep what I have until the rollable smartphones come about. I'm really looking forward to seeing that one. The Galaxy Fold is just not my cup of tea. But listen, hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know, what would you do? Would you go with the Galaxy Fold, which means that you're going to pay more than you would for the Galaxy Note Ultra? Or will you be going ahead and keeping what you have? Or are you going to go ahead and get the Galaxy S21? All right. Don't forget, hit me in the comment section down below because I would really, really like to know your thoughts on this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you got any value out of it, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Smash that notification bell so you can always get notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And I'm going to see you all at the next one. Enjoy. Have some fun, and remember to be safe out there. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.